Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 won't launch or not launching issue, stuck on splash screen or black screen issue on PC, and this is for the NVIDIA app users. So here follow the steps. First of all, make sure you have the NVIDIA app. If you don't have the NVIDIA app, then open Chrome. In Chrome, search for download NVIDIA app and click on this result, and then download and install the NVIDIA app on your PC. Then launch the NVIDIA app and go to the graphics tab and select the Battlefield 6 game. I don't have the Battlefield 6 game, so I am showing the steps with another game. And then after selecting Battlefield 6, go to the program settings and make sure smooth motion is off. If it is turned on, then turn it off. Then go to the global settings and again make sure smooth motion is turned off. If it is on, then turn it off. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This has solved the issue for many players. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.